We are taking an interview of Divyansh Kushwah. Hello.
Hi,
So let's start. What is your name?
I am Divyansh Kushwah and I am a software engineer. I am in my final year right now, and my college name is Mahakal Institute of Technology and Management. And yes, you can proceed now.
Tell me more about yourself. What's going now in your life?
Uh, uh, I am in my final year, and I am doing freelancing right now. And as you know, freelancer is a very vast domain in this era, and a lot of freelancers are doing a lot of works related to the field of software engineering and web development, Android, and as well as graphic designer also. And so that's why I am in this domain. And yes.
Tell me little bit about your family background.
Uh, Firstly, we are five members in my family, and I belong to a nuclear family. We are five members, my father, mother, and we are three siblings. So, and I come from the Ujjain. Our family basically totally from the Ujjain. Okay, so and my nurturing was happened in Ujjain, in the which is also called the city of temples. And yes.
How do you manage your time with your projects, part-time work or internships?
Basically, I focused on my projects a lot, and I skip my college classes
Oh.
and other stuffs and what's going on. Right now, I'm only doing my projects and freelancing works.
I listen that you are software engineer.
Yes, I am a software engineer and as well as web developer.
How did you enter in this domain?
I basically in my 12th, when I was in 12th standard, my interest in the computer science field, and that was the time. And then I firstly interact with the coding languages. Like in my 12th class, I learned Python, basics
Python.
of Pythons, and then I interested in this domain, and then
Tell me about your schooling.
I have done my schooling from the from Ujjain, and my 10th and 12th, my background was physics, chemistry, and maths background, and I took a PCM subject in my 11th standard, and in 10th standard I've done my 10th with MP board, with average 80 percentage, and
So you are a software engineer. What's your favorite programming language?
Uh, my favorite programming language is Python because Python is a very vast and very easy to learn. It is beginner friendly language, and a lot of projects are running right now on the Python language. And if you are going in the domain of AI and ML and robotics and anywhere, the Python is the most crucial language right now. So that's why my good and very favorite language is Python.
You can say some other languages of.
Yes, there is a lot of language in this domain, and like C, C++, JavaScript, and if you are building, you see, you look any web page. This is the mix up of HTML,
HTML.
CSS, and JavaScript. CSS is the designing language, HTML is the structure language, and I don't want to deep dive into it because it's a very technical term. And JavaScript is a function language.
Function language.
If you are clicking on a button, and if you are redirecting to another page, so this functionality is done by JavaScript. And JavaScript, and there is so many other different kind of languages, and like Rust, and Ruby, and many other kind of language. If you are looking for easy language and beginner friendly, if you want to start, you want to learn any language, so firstly start with the basic JavaScript and C++.
For the new generation, AI tools are comfortably used. What can you say about it?
AI tool are the future generation, and if you are thinking that you are just stuck on the basic programming language and the traditional things, so you are not going to do anything. And if you want to learn and want to growth into your future, so you have to learn AI and AI tools, like ChatGPTs. And
ChatGPT.
if you can generate images and videos with the help of ChatGPT with the new version ChatGPT 4. And there is a lot of another AI tools, etc. And so many things are going right now in this field of AI.
How can we use ChatGPT in usual life?
In the regular life you can use ChatGPT as your assistant also. You can do your homework with the help of ChatGPT. You can complete your assignments, college assignments, and you can solve anything. It means anything, like you can write the whole story of your kind of your film, or you can write your script, dialogues, and also music also. So you can learn into your daily life ChatGPT.
Can you make an any program?
Yes, a lot of things, a lot of programs. It's very basic.
What kind of it?
Program means a programming language. If programs are just only for logic buildings.
Logic.
When you write a program to apply in the real life, real domain, by clicking on any button or other functionality, you write the programs.
How are you internships experience shared your understanding of real world software
Okay,
in
okay,
software
okay, okay.
engineering?
I understood. My I've done my internship uh, in the in last 6 months. So from the ACATQ Private Limited, it's just a company, not company, big company, startup. And I've done my internship in the domain of web development, and my role was to build an app, like food app.
Food app.
Yes, food app, to design the UI of this app. And UI means I wanna say about the UI. UI is known as the user interface, and whatever you see into your web page, and which interact with the users, is known as UI. So my role was to build the UI of this app.
We can make an app from by the mobile.
Not,
It is not possible.
it's not possible, and no, we can't say it's not possible. You can, but it is very typical to build and the whole app with the help of mobile, because the when you start building the app, the basic tool you used is Android Studio. Android Studio is a very vast software, and it takes a lot of memory.
What
So
kind of that's tool?
it is a tool with the you can build app with this tool, Android Studio.
Are you interested in sports?
Not much, but yes.
In gaming?
I don't play game.
You can make an app for gaming.
Yes, definitely. I worked. I want to share my experience. When early in 2022, I think it approx. So I was my friend and I was working on a for a company. Okay, so there we have built an app. Not, we are not working on the whole app. We are just working on component of the app. It means it's just a
In a
small part.
part of it.
Yes, it's a part of the app. And now our role was my our task to build a avatar. You see avatar and user or cartoons of the you
Animation.
yeah, animation, not animations, your avatar,
Huh.
known as avatar. Okay. So our role was to build this for the users. When you register on this app, so your avatar is already created in this app, like you use Snapchat.
Yes, Snapchat.
So in this your avatar also a kind of
Yes.
animation. So that was our role, and we can that was the gaming application. So that's why we were working on it.
Uh, Give me some experience in your typical condition in your schooling or college life.
uh, Not we come from the middle class family, so that's why not a very that was not my experience. And I would just want to say, not very typical situation I faced in my life.
If I want to become a software engineer, what I can do?
uh, you are really firstly, it's totally about curiosity and the the first thing you have to become, if you want to become software engineer, so keep remember to remind, you have to sit on a table approx on a sit continuously approx 6 to 7 hours daily.
Six
Okay,
to
if
seven.
you have that kind of dedication and that kind of mindset, so just you can become you can go on this domain. And if you really want to become a software engineer, so firstly you have to need to become a skillful person, because a lot of software engineers are there is a lot of software in our country which has no skills, so that's why they are unemployed. Okay, because software domain totally work on the
Skill.
skill person.
Skill is more
Skill
important.
is more important than your degree.
Degree.
Okay, degree is also important, but skill are more
More
important than
important.
it. Yes. So if you firstly you have to learn one or two programming languages. For beginners, I wanna suggest just do JavaScript. Just work on the JavaScript, and just firstly make your logic. Firstly, you start your logic building. How you are thinking about any kind of problem. Okay, so firstly your mind and your you learn one programming language, and then next step is to choose any, if you want to learn web development,
Hmm.
or you want to go in the cloud computing, or machine learning, or AI, or data analytics. There is a lot of it's a very vast fields, so you can go anywhere, and it's totally on you in which domain you are interested.
What's your favorite sports person?
My favorite sports person are Mahendra Singh Dhoni in cricket.
Give a lesson that we can learn from you.
Uh, the first thing you keep remember into your mind, just focused on any kind of domain you are looking your future, just focused, and be goal oriented, and also a very dedicated person. Okay, if you don't have dedication and discipline, so you can't do anything into any another domains. I am not talking about the software engineering, not web development, and in this technical fields you are doing just a, you are if you are running your so there are also a need of discipline and dedication. You have to totally give your 100% effort, then you will take rewards in the form of money, in the form of any other things. So which discipline, dedication, and goal orientation is must, and it is very vital. Okay, so I just wanna give this lesson to you, and also for our viewers and for your classmates. And
Who inspired you in this software engineering field?
uh, nobody inspired me in this domain. I inspired by myself. Okay, so that's my inspiration. Myself.
Thank you, sir, for coming in this interview. I am very, very thank you for you. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.